Hello everyone, Dylan Francis here. I was really eager to bust in this package and I forgot to hit the record button on the telephone there. Well, let's bust into this package. I know exactly where it's from, so I know what it is, but... Yost! Yost! Yes, I am moving up in the world of archery. Here we have the Yost 3-under professional finger tab. We're gonna have a closer look at this item. I'm pretty pumped for it. Stay tuned. Alrighty, let's take a closer look at the Yost 3-under professional finger tab here. Comes in a little baggie. Nice fresh leather, suede in the back, 2 layers. Nice cord strap with the button there. Couple screws. And then we have the markings for string walking. Now this is a 3-under tab meant for string walking, so it's for your bare bow archers and your traditional archers. Pretty neat. I wanted the one pretty much since I started the sport of archery. I'm so stoked. Can't wait to start string walking. So, that's the piece. It also comes with a card. Oh, just a little business card. Eric Yost. Now it's a family of archers that run. I guess started the company or run the company. Eric and Tracy Yost, I believe I've seen those names around on the internet. Pretty cool. It says, "Thank you for your purchase. Your satisfaction with the performance and quality of our product means everything to us. We are traditional and bare bow archers, and we do our best to bring you the high performance products at affordable prices. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions or problems. Feel free to visit our website to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Shoot Strong Eric, and it is www.yostarcheryproducts.com. Cute! Probably can't really see it there, but yeah, cool. That's on the back of the business card. Came in the bag. Cool. So this was $60 Canadian off of was it Canada Archery Online. It's the last large one they had left. I believe the smaller was the large size. I believe the smaller versions or sizes, should I say, are red. And there's also a brass version too, which is like $20 more or something. So yeah, $60 Canadian. It is an American product from Pennsylvania. It's a family-owned company. Really cool. I am excited. I am stoked for this. I've been split shooting for the last few months, and I'm going to try. I've been dabbling in just 3-under, but I want to try 3-under and for reals string walking. So it's another adventure there, learning how to string walk. The Yost 3-under professional finger tab. Now it is smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's a lot lighter too, which I'm not complaining. Oh, look at that. I'm definitely gonna have to cut it, but you know, that's always the scary thing about tabs. I just cut a tab the other week. Yeah, that was scary, but it worked out. Neat. Right off the get-go, feels great. Cool. Tighten this up when I can. Yeah, there you go, guys. The Yost 3-under professional finger tab. Now I'm not gonna fire any arrows because it's not worn in, so it's probably gonna take a few hundred arrows to wear that in. But I might do a follow-up video, maybe my reactions to firing with it. compared to other ones, other tabs. So, thanks for tuning in and checking out this Yost 3 under professional tab with me. If this video was any point helpful, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to know, if you want to get to know more of my archery adventures, some more Anarchy Archery. Yeah, comment if you like. I like to read those. You guys shoot straight and shoot safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Later!